change that I did was earlier we had the header static on every page. So now I've moved the header to app.view file, and now it's going to be consistent on all pages. All right. So that's the one change that I made. And the other thing is that earlier we had total number of coins currently on the page being shown here as like 10 coins found, 6 coins found, but that's gone because I now have to um, calculate the searched coins in the store. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the store. So here we have the coins getter, and this coins getter is used here. So now we will move this coin list logic inside the store in the getters itself. So let's remove this code here and do the calculations inside the store itself, so we don't have to maintain a computed property for searching the coins. And instead of coin list, let's do coins here. Okay, it will make more sense now. So instead of this dot search value, let's change all the this occurrences to state. So it's going to be state everywhere. All right, and now let's test our search functionality. Bitcoin, it's working the same way it was before, and but the only thing that we're missing here is it's always saying 0 coins found, but that's incorrect. Let's fix it. Let's remove this part. So app header is basically expecting a searched coins prop, but we will not send the prop anymore because the prop is gone, right? What we're going to do is we're going to delete the requirement for the prop, and we'll simply import the same thing that we imported in the home view page, which is the coins and map getters, and we will simply say coins.length because the coins is being modified every time we hit the search. All right, let's reload and do the search. So it's working the same way it should, but without the prop. Everything is handled within the store, within the Vuex store. Okay, so that's it. So let's quickly move on to the details page and start doing it. So now the question arises that what are we gonna do if we click on the search on some other page? So what we are gonna do is we're gonna hide the search bar on other pages, right? So let's go to our app header. Where is the search? It's here. Here is the search. It's in the div. So let's say if show search bar. Okay, so this will be a computed property where we'll decide if we want to show the search bar or not. So we'll declare it here. And when do we want to search? When do we want the search bar to appear? So what we'll do is we'll go to our home page, and here we want the search bar to appear in the header, and otherwise we don't want it to appear. So what we're going to do is we're going to say if this dot dollar route dot path equals to / that means home, return true, else just return false, don't show it. All right, so now when we are on the home page, in the / page, we're going to show the search bar, and it's going to work the same way as we expect it to. And as soon as I go to the details page, I don't see it there. It's gone because it doesn't make any sense to search anything here because we don't have the list of items, or we don't have the search logic meant for the details page. All right, so let's continue building the detail page now. So for building the detail page, if we can see, we have this data here. Let us go to the details view, and we get the coin details here. We get this, everything. So now let's start building it. So the top thing, I'm not going to beautify it in any sense. So what we can do it, we're going to just print out the values. So that's going to be a detail page for now. So let's say we have an h1. This h1 is going to have coin details dot data dot name. In the h1, let's call it text-xl. Okay, so this is the let's call it 2xl to make it big. So this is the main page of the detail for Bitcoin. And what's important to see on the Bitcoin page, I mean on the crypto detail page, it's the name. Then we have let's do an ordered list. Okay, and inside the list items, let's remove this div because this div is unwanted. Let's add the list items. The first list item that I would like to add here is um, the name, rank, symbol. Let's add the symbol. I'll say symbol is, I'm showing you the string interpolation here. Symbol is card coin details dot data dot symbol. Okay, the symbol is BTC. And for the header, let's add a bit of border at the bottom. Let's say border and border B, so that it just gets divided into two sections kind of. And for the details page, for the container, let's add a margin top of 4 because we want to push it a bit down. Let's do an 8. That's more down. Yeah, Bitcoin is bold. Okay, symbol is BTC. And oh, it's not taking the UL style types. Let's say list. Let's list style type. We'll say list disk. I don't know if we have to give it to the main list disk. Does it work like this? Okay, it doesn't work. Sorry. Is it list disc? I think it will work this time. Yeah. So this is our symbol, and let's give it a bit of padding on the left, PL2 3, so that it's aligned with the Bitcoin text, or a bit forward. Yeah, symbol is BTC. I'm not trying to make it look beautiful. I mean beautiful. It's just like, you know, we're building a project and learning the concepts. So symbol is BTC, and let's add the price. The price is price. What's the price key? It's price USD. Price USD. Let's add a dollar sign in front of it, and let's do, I know it's a string, let's do a parse int. Sorry, let's do a parse float because I want to round it off. Parse float, and then it should be 2 fixed 2. Okay, so this is the price for the coin. Let's get it inside the strong tag. It will look like it's emphasized kind of, you know. It will take the focus of the user. So the price is $16,630. Now what else do we have? Market cap US dollars. So market cap of the coin in USD. I think let's leave that and add something else. A max supply. Let's add max supply. Max supply. Copy this, paste it back in here, and now copy max supply keyword, add it here. So the max supply is this. Let's, do we have to round it off also? Okay, let's round it off. Dot to fixed to Okay, so this is the symbol, this is the price, and this is the market, sorry, max supply. Now empty for this. So now if we go back and click on Ethereum, we'll see the values for Ethereum, and for Ethereum it's showing none. Let me check what's the reason behind it. Let's log out the. It's good that we're getting these errors, because these errors are like real world problems mostly, and we'll fix them so that we guys can learn how to tackle these problems. So let's say coin details. So don't we have a max supply on it? So the max supply is null. So here the case arises, do we want to show the max supply or not? So what we can do is we can either have a container inside here, like a div, in which we can have a condition, like if there is max supply then show it, otherwise don't show it. We can also have a condition inside here, so like this, if coin details dot data dot max supply, then show it, otherwise don't show it. Show not provided. So in that way, if the max supply is there, it's going to show it like this, otherwise it's going to show not provided. Okay, so that's one thing that we have to do. I think that's enough, like to get the logic. And let's see if we have skeleton loaders here. Loader, modal, layout, real progress. I don't think they have skeleton loaders. I really wanted to have it because I wanted to show you guys how to add skeleton loaders into the project. Chat bubble, countdown, this. They don't have it, but it's okay. So that's it. What else? So when we go to the view details page, it says cannot read properties of undefined reading name. So what we need to do is we need to check if the details are being fetched. So for home view, what we did was we had a boolean value called is loading. We're going to do the same here. We're going to say data is loading, which is going to be false initially, and as soon as I call the API, I'm going to say this dot is loading is equal to true, and then finally when everything is loaded, we're going to say this dot is sorry for this is loading is equal to false. Okay, and now we'll say this will be the be else condition, and oh sorry, but we need to return div as a single element. So this will be a div, this will have a v if div, v if is loading, then show this loading dot dot dot. So as soon as the data loads, it will show up, otherwise it will show us the loading indicator like this. Okay, and let's put the loading inside a container too. Let's do one thing. Let's take this and put it in the parent container, so that loading is also inside the container like this. And let's bring in the loader from here. Doesn't matter, let's just copy paste it. Let's just copy paste the whole thing, otherwise we could have converted this thing into a component, but that's fine. Let's copy paste the loader and have it here, and now check if it works. Yeah, so it's loading, and we have the loading functionality there. So now we have the main page, which is the home page having all the coins, and then when we click on the view details page, it will take us to the details page of that specific coin. So we have the details page and the main page. So let's look at the API and see what else do they offer. They offer a full RESTful API for the rates, assets, exchanges, markets, and candles. So these are candlestick charts. I don't know what markets is. Let's see. So market is kind of the same API which returns you the markets. So let's go on Google and try to fetch the images for the coins, because it's looking ugly like this, like without the images. So let's get going and look for the images. Let's search crypto images, crypto images API. Which API provides a logo for a cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency icons, logos plus API. There is something. Conda core. Okay. So, all right. Simply replace the currency name in the URL R free API. So let's visit this and see. Okay, it's not working. All right. Let's try to check this. It's not working. Will we ever get the the currency logo? Okay. You can use their CSS class, coincap.io, CSS sprite, version this, sprite btn, small coin logo, cryptocurrency logos. Assets.coincap.io, BTC add to xpng, assets, assets.coincap.io. Let's see what this means. Okay. Okay, let's see ETH. All right, we found the solution. It's really easy to find the solution on Google sometimes, you know. So let's go to the task card component, app card component. Sorry, not the task card. Let's go here and let's make this a dynamic source. Remove the old source. Add this URL here. And let's change this part. This is going to be coin.symbol, I think. Yeah, I think it's going to be the symbol dot to lowercase. What I believe should be the case. Dot to lowercase. Okay. All right. So now we have the coins to our why is this one big? Let's give them a height and width. Height 100 pixels, width 100 pixels. Okay, let's make them smaller. 80 is fine. Okay, so now we have images for all the coins, and we also have the details page. We have the search functionality. Looks really cool now. So what else can we add it in here? Let me think. I'll get back to you guys in the next video to think like how we should extend this application for in terms of learning purposes. Okay, thanks for watching till now. I really appreciate if you guys have watched it till now, because I don't expect anybody to watch it, this long, because it's fairly new thing and I'm new to YouTube. So anyway, so let's continue building this application, and I'll see what else I can add to the course so that it's productive and it helps you learn some stuff. Okay, bye bye.